Pay attention, okay? A, B. So which one is the valid higher low? Is it A or B?
A.
It's A. Does it make sense?
Yeah, it's the most recent one.
Go, the most recent one. So similarly, which one is the recent one? Is it A or C? The valid one. Which one is the valid one? Is it A or C? The
A.
lower high. It's
A.
A. All right. Hope it makes sense.
Yeah, it does.
All right. So, uh,
There's somebody in the group that's saying that they're unable to join with the new meeting link.
yeah, I'm trying to see. Shit. All right. All right. Tell them to join. I'm here to admit them, okay? So, we are together, right? Can we proceed? Can we proceed?
Yes, you can.
Yes.
All right. So, this is the valid one. So, we delete this one, the red one. Okay? So, this is higher low, higher high. I repeat for the last time. If you, for every uptrend, take the recent what? Higher low. For every trend, downtrend, take the recent lower high. Okay? Please don't forget this. If possible, put it inside your notes. Draw this thing and put it inside your notes. Please. If you can understand it in the paper, you can understand it inside the charts. Okay? So understand it inside the paper. You understand inside the chart. So we are learning very fast, right? So for 4 hours, we are in an uptrend, right? Right?
Right.
So let's go to the daily time frame. So for the daily time frame, are we in an uptrend or downtrend?
It's uptrend.
Look at it carefully.
No, it's a downtrend.
Look at it carefully. Are we in an uptrend or downtrend?
I would say downtrend.
All
It looks
right.
more like a. It looks like an uptrend, like it's going into a reversal.
All right. Let's do it again. Let's start from here. So look at here. It seems the market was here, right? Excuse me. So it seems the market was here, okay? And look at what happened here. The market was pulling down. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see very well? The market was pulling down on the downtrend, right? Boom, boom. It broke here, right? Boom, boom, and it broke here, right? So at this point, we're in a downtrend, okay? So we say what? Lower high,
Lower low.
lower low. Please follow carefully. Right? So what happened? This place broke here, right?
Yeah, it broke.
It broke. So this becomes our new what? Lower high.
Lower high
And this becomes
and
our
then
what?
lower
low.
low.
Are you following?
Lower
Now, if you
high.
notice, this place broke again, right?
Yes.
So this becomes what? Our lower low, right?
Lower. Yeah.
Lower low.
And this
And
becomes what? Lower
Lower
high.
high.
Are you
lower
seeing
high.
now?
Yeah.
Then what happened? It broke. Boom. Boom. You see it? Did you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And immediately a lower high is broken, it becomes what? An uptrend. So
Uptrend.
this is what? An uptrend.
Higher high.
Higher high.
Uptrend.
Yes. Because it has broken. And this is what? Higher low. Are we together?
Yeah.
So let's make it make sense. So this is higher low, higher high, right? You notice I'm using the candlestick, not the wick. Pay attention meticulously. I'm using candlesticks, not wicks. The close of the candlesticks. Right? Now look at what happened here. This is what? Higher high, higher low. And I told you that whatever that is happening here is what? Uptrend. Whatever that is happening here is what? Uptrend. So what happened? Boom! It broke our higher high. Are you seeing now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So immediately it broke. This becomes what? Our what? Higher high.
Higher high.
And our recent what? Higher low. This is higher low, right? This is higher low. We choose the what? The recent what? Higher low. Is it making sense?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
Now what happened? Boom! It broke down. Are you seeing?
Yeah.
Lower low.
So this becomes what? Lower
Lower
low.
low.
Lower low.
This becomes what?
Lower
High.
high.
Oh, sorry, lower high. Thank you. Lower high. Is it lower high? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, lower high.
So are we in a downtrend or uptrend?
Uptrend.
Downtrend.
Huh? Lower high and lower
We're in a
low.
downtrend. Downtrend. If it breaks the lower high, then we're in an uptrend.
Are we in an uptrend or downtrend right now?
Down.
We are in
Downtrend.
uptrend.
I don't know.
Huh?
No, we are in a downtrend. Sorry, downtrend. Downtrend.
Higher highs, higher lows, uptrend. Lower highs, lower low, downtrend. So we are actually in a downtrend. Should I do it again?
Yes, do it again.
All right. So look at the chart. So what the first thing you do when you come to your chart, you scroll back. Like me, I don't need to scroll back. I have studied with this chart. Excuse my language. I have had sexual intimacy with the chart. Like if I just sit like this, I know it already. But for you, scroll back. Okay? Scroll back. Are you saying scroll back and see what was happening? Okay.
Question.
Yeah.
How far back do we scroll? That's what I wanted to ask you.
All right. For 4 hours, just scroll. Maybe today is what? This is Thursday. This is Friday, right? So you can just scroll to maybe less than 1 week. Okay? No, this is daily time frame, not 4 hours. So this was Friday. This is Friday. So you can come back to like 1 week.
That is Thursday last week.
No, this is July. Excuse me, this is July.
Yeah,
you
July.
You can go to June and look. This is June. Are you seeing now?
Mm.
Yes.
So you can you can come to June and look. But if it's 4 hours, you can look for the days, not weeks. All right? Like 4 hours now, you can just come here. This is Wednesday. It was moving an uptrend, and boom, it went down.
Somebody is trying to tell you.
Someone is trying to join. Okay. Then gotta get some. So we're in an uptrend, right? Boom! Look at here. It broke here. Boom! It broke here. Boom! It's very easy for me because I've stayed with the chart over and over again. Okay, don't mind me. I don't need to go back. But for you, just come back and see what was happening and start from anywhere. You can start from here or start from here. Okay? So let's come back to daily time frame. Hope your question is answered.
Yeah, sir, I still want to ask a question. From what you are explaining and from the perfect analysis you are giving us, it appears that in a trading history, the daily time frame plays a pivotal and a very significant role in trading for the traders. Daily time frame.
You've asked this question before.
No, because most of the analysis you are giving really center on daily time frame.
Okay, sir. We are going to do what we call top-down analysis.
Okay.
My prayer is for you to understand market structure tonight.
Yes, I am getting the sense of what you are
Because
teaching.
if you guys don't understand market structure, no top-down analysis. There's no way you can understand top-down analysis. This is the foundation. This is why a lot of people blow account. I'm telling you. Once you get this thing wrong, you will blow account. I'm telling you. Trust me. So let me do this for the last time for those that said we should go back. All right? So obviously this is a down trend, right? This is a down trend. Boom, 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 boom. Right? This is a down trend. So what do you do? So the first thing, when you come to the chart, you scroll back, right? As a newbie, you scroll back. Me, I don't need to scroll back, but you can scroll back. This is a downtrend. Okay, look at what was happening. So, what do? You carry your this thing, your trend. This is your, I don't know what is it called. What's the name? Your trend line. Okay.
Trend line, yeah.
I come here, right? And you look at this is a downtrend. So what do? You say what? Lower what? High, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
And this is what? Lower low, right?
Lower low.
And what do you notice? Something broke here. Boom. Right? Boom. This candlestick broke and closed here. Right? Immediately it broke here, it went to what? We are still on the downtrend. So this becomes what? Our new lower high. And this becomes what? Our new what? Lower low.
Lower low.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Boom! It broke down again. So this becomes what? Our new what? Lower low.
Lower low.
And this what?
Lower high.
Lower high. Boom! It broke our lower high and becomes what? Uptrend.
Yeah.
Anytime a lower high is broken, it becomes what? An uptrend. Right?
Yes.
So you come here and turn this place to what? Higher high.
Higher high.
And we turn here to what? Higher low, right? So this is what? Higher high and what? Higher low, right?
Yeah.
Now look at this thing carefully. Are you looking at?
Yeah.
I told you that anything that is happening between here is what? Uptrend. It doesn't matter.
In an uptrend.
This is uptrend. Whatever that is happening here is what? Uptrend.
Uptrend. Okay.
Boom! It broke. Are you seeing now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good. Don't be tired, though. Someone is
No,
breathing.
I'm not tired. I'm just trying to
So this is what.
catch up.
Nye Jimmy Omega seminar.
Are you paying attention? This is what? Higher high.
Higher
Now, if
high.
you look at here, we have so many higher lows, right? This is a higher low, right? This is a higher low, right? Isn't it? All these are higher lows, right?
Yeah.
I told you take the recent one. Look at the recent one here, all right? Forget about these ones. Forget about this one. Forget about this one, and take the recent one. All right?
Right.
So we delete the rest. Look at market structure is taking us over 1 hour to 2 hours now. Can you imagine? I know you don't know market structure like this before. So this is what higher high, higher low, right? Uptrend. Boom! It broke down, right? So we are in a what? A downtrend.
Downtrend.
Boom! It broke here. So we are in a what?
Uptrend.
Downtrend. Isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
downtrend.
Do we agree? We broke that
Yeah,
here
we are
now.
in a downtrend.
Downtrend.
Immediately it broke this one. We are in a what? Downtrend. So this becomes what? Lower low, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
This becomes lower low, and this becomes what?
Lower
Lower
high.
high.
Lower. So we say that when we have lower high and lower low, we are in a what? A downtrend.
Downtrend.
So whatever that happened here is downtrend. Until it break, immediately it broke this one, we are in an uptrend. Are you saying now?
Yeah.
But as far as it has not broken it, sorry. As far as we have not broken this lower high, we are still in a what? A downtrend. Am I making sense?
Yes.
Downtrend. Until it breaks here. Are you getting it?
Mm.
Is it making sense? So we are in a downtrend. Does it make sense?
Yes, it does.
So if you understand what I've taught you tonight, you are ahead of 99 people in the market. Trust me. I understood everything in the market for over 2 years, but I didn't understand market structure this way. It was when I understood it this way, boom, clarity came. So, 4-hour time frame, let's go back. 4-hour time frame, we are in an what? Uptrend, right?
Yeah.
Daily time frame, we are in a what? Downtrend.
Downtrend.
So let's go to weekly time frame. So, weekly time frame, are we in an uptrend or downtrend?
Downtrend.
Look at it carefully. Are we in an uptrend or downtrend?
Downtrend.
Up,
Huh?
uptrend. Up,
Downtrend.
Look at it carefully. Uptrend or downtrend?
I
uptrend.
think we are in a downtrend.
Yoli, are we in a downtrend or uptrend?
All right. So judging by this, this would be the lower low. This would be the lower high. So it actually broke. It broke the lower high. So I would say it's going in an uptrend. It's an uptrend.
Okay, let's do. So what do? We say we'll go back a little, right, to check. So let's start from here. So look at here. The market was coming on the downtrend, right? Look at from here, right? Here was an uptrend. Boom! It broke here and became a what? Downtrend, right? So let's start from here, right? So higher low, right? Are we still together?
Yes.
Yes.
Higher high, right? I'm sorry, higher low, higher high, right? Isn't it? Isn't it? Do we agree?
Yes.
Then boom, he came here and become what? A higher high, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
And here is what? Higher low, right? Right?
Can you possibly expand it, please?
What did you say?
So you can see the candles very well.
I should what?
Can you can you increase it? Increase the candles so that we can see.
Can you see now?
Yes, fine.
Yes.
All right. Let me make it smaller. Boom. And it went up. Boom. Right? Now, if you notice here, this candle broke down this place to downtrend.
Yes.
Are you seeing? Boom.
The
It went to a
sorry,
downtrend.
sorry, sir. Is it not wise as you are doing you name the candle you are referring to? Is it the blue or the black? For more understanding.
Okay.
All right.
Right.
So let me just show you something. I will use something like this. So let me use this thing. Are you seeing now?
Yeah.
Are you seeing?
Okay. Better.
So excuse me. All right. So this is higher low, right? So this black candle
Exactly.
broke. This black candle broke here, and it becomes what? A lower high and a lower low, right?
Yeah.
But look at what happened. Boom! It went back to an uptrend. Are you seeing now?
Yes.
Fine.
Boom! It broke again, right?
Yeah.
And it becomes what? Downtrend. Lower
Downtrend.
low, lower low, and lower high. No,
No, lower high.
Lower high, lower low. Are you seeing now? So what happened? It went like this and broke. Are you seeing now?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this becomes what? Our new what?
Lower high.
Lower high. And this becomes what? Our new
Lower low.
lower low. Are you seeing? Boom! It broke again. Right? Lower high. Right? And lower low, right? Boom! It broke again. Let me come back so you don't feel confused. It was like this, right? Lower high, lower low, right?
Right.
Boom! Right? And this becomes what? Our lower high. Now pay attention here. Look at what happened. It broke down again. Boom! Right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Lower high, right? Lower high, lower low. Has it broken above it?
Oh
Has
no,
it
it
broken?
hasn't.
So
So it's
are we
still a
at uptrend,
downtrend.
downtrend?
Downtrend.
Downtrend. So it's very strange to you. I've stayed with this thing day and night, studying, practicing it. I've mastered it, like I told you. So what you need to do is to spend time with it. Please forget about profit. Okay? Forget about profit. Spend time with this thing. Practice it yourself. screenshot the chart and put inside the WhatsApp group. Okay? Then people will be checking if you are correct or you are wrong. Okay? So we are in a what? A downtrend, not an uptrend. Does it make sense?
Yes, it does.
So you see, market structure has taken us over 1 hour, 30 minutes. Just market structure. So, weekly, downtrend. Daily, downtrend, right? 4 hours, uptrend, right? So is it clear? Is it clear? Any question
Yes,
on market structure?
Yeah, it's clear.
It's clear. So can we proceed further?
Yes.
All right. So let's go to our outline. We have been able to talk about the tools required for trading, right? MT4, MT5. We have been able to talk about market structure, right? Isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
So let's talk about what? Identifying point of interest and trading with the big banks. I want to say something that is going to blow your mind right now. You've heard of support and resistance, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I have.
All right. So this is support. Support is your ceiling. Why? This is your what? Resistance. Right?
Yes.
For newbies, let me just explain. Support is like when you are jumping up to hit your ceiling. Your head is going to hit your ceiling and pull you back, right? Then, resistance is
Resistance.
your
Yeah.
ceiling. Why support is your floor, right?
Right.
The floor you are standing on. Okay? So these things, this resistance and support levels are called point of interest. Okay? And these things are what they call. I beg your pardon? What did you say? Hello? Are we together?
Yeah, she's trying to get more clarity on support and resistance.
All right.
Don't tell me on the floor.
Sorry. This is resistance. Why this is what? Support. The red one is support. So this is support. Why this is what? Resistance. So this is what the market does every time. Boom, 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 boom. Does it make sense?
Yeah, it does.
Now this is where the big banks play. These things you are seeing is what the ICT student call order block. And this is what we call what? Supply and demand. Okay?
Yeah.
Resistance is your ceiling trying to push price down, which is known as what? As your selling. Why support is known as what? Buying. Look at here, we sold down, right? We buy up, sold down, bought up, sold down. We sold down, we bought up. All right? So this is your supply. Resistance is known as what? Supply. Support is known as demand. Write it down. Resistance is also known as what? Supply. Support is also known as what? Demand.
Demand.
Does it make sense?
Yep.
So one of the problem in forex and trading is people like to use terminologies, and this is what they call order block. This is what they call point of interest. This is what they call key levels. All right. So in our further classes or subsequent classes, I'll be using these words interchangeably. You might hear me say point of interest. You might hear me say key levels. You might hear me say resistance. You might hear me say support. You might hear me say demand. But get it clearly, resistance is known as supply. Support is known as what? Demand.
Demand.
Resistance is known as what? Supply. Support is known as what? Demand. They are also called what? Point of interest. They're also called what? Key levels. They're also called what? Order blocks. Why? This is where the big banks buy, and this is where the big banks sell. Does it make sense?
Yes.
So, for instance, the big boys were here at the resistance level doing this week, right? Look at what the big boys did. Are you seeing it?
Yeah.
The big boys were here, and boom, I went to Twitter, and people were saying that go and buy, go and buy. I already understand that our market structure was on the what? Downtrend. All right? So the question you are asking me now, Mr. Simon, I understand resistance. I understand support. How do I identify resistance and support? That's the question, right?
Correct.
Good. I don't know if we should stop here. Are we tired?
No.
Yeah, we can pause for today. We can stop for today and digest what we have learned.
All right. Ask me questions. All right. On support, resistance, market structure. Ask me questions. So we can call it a day. It's over 2 hours. We have to go to church tomorrow. All right. Most of us are going to church tomorrow. So
Now, in this support and resistance, now when a market moves and get to the resistance, if the buying pressure is high, is there a way it can move over to the resistance, move across the resistance and continue?
yes, it's possible. You know, the market works on supply and demand. If we have more supplies, the market will sell. If we have more demand, the market will buy. So it's all about a game of numbers, which is called price. All right? If the price is high, people will try to sell.
Buy low, sell high.
Yes, exactly. So we are talking about the numbers. The more we have more people selling, the price will go down. The more we have people buying, the price will go up. Isn't it? Just like when you go to the market, when everybody is trying to buy a particular product, the price goes up, right?
Exactly.
Yes,
Like Christmas
exactly.
period.
It's on
Like
demand.
Christmas, everybody wants to buy chicken. So the price of chicken goes up in Nigeria,
Yeah.
right? So everybody wants to buy, and it pushes it up, and there's a demand. All right.
We call it the demand is greater than supply.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mm.
So that's it. But this is the concept. If you understand this concept, you will understand why I always do this on my chart. This is the reason I do this on my chart. Have you noticed it? I do this a lot on my chart. Look at it. Okay, it's not here. My charts are not here. On my phone, rather. So I do that a lot on my charts. So anytime you see it, just know that I'm about to sell resistance. Anytime you see this one, I'm about to what? To buy. Now let me expose a powerful secret before we call it a day tonight. Okay? The most powerful support resistance are on the weekly time frame and the daily time frame. Write it down.
Come again.
The most powerful resistance and support levels happens on the weekly time frame and the daily time frame. This is a big secret. You won't see it anywhere on the internet. You see all these key levels. I got them from the daily and the weekly. Are you seeing it? The most powerful key levels happens on the weekly and the daily levels. Does it make sense? So that's why most of you go to 4 hours and place your key levels and you still make losses. You go to 1 hour and place your key levels, you still make losses. I'm telling you why you are making losses. All right? You don't plot your key levels on 4 hours. You plot your key levels either on weekly, daily, monthly. I don't trade on the monthly time frame. I only look at the weekly, daily, 4 hours. All right?
Okay.
So henceforth, don't plot your key levels on 1 hour. Don't plot your key levels on 2 hours. Don't plot your key levels on 4 hours. Plot your key levels on what? Weekly and what? Daily. They are powerful. They work like charm. Trust me. So I think the next class will be all about how to identify key levels. All right?
Yeah.
So we'll be talking. So just 1 or 2 questions. I will call it a day. We have to go to church tomorrow. Sorry. So before we close, we are supposed to talk about something. So while we are learning all about all of this, I want us to also earn. I just remember now. I want us to earn. So this is the template for us to earn. We are swing traders. We are not scalpers. Scalpers, they trade on the 5 minutes, right? So we are patient to wait for our setup for days, for a week. And this is the goal. If we can get a $5,000 account and we pass it and we do only 9% a month, that's $450. All right?
Yeah.
If we can pass a $100,000 account and we do 9% monthly, that's what? $9,000. If we can pass a $200,000 account, profit account, and we do 9% monthly, that's what? $18,000. Think about the potential. This week, we did 9% already because in our first trade, we had 1:4. And this second trade gave us almost 1:5. So assuming that we risk just 1%, that's 9%. So it's a possibility, isn't it? It's a possibility. We are trying to be conservative. We are not doing 100%. We are not doing 50%. We are not doing 20%. We are just want to do 9% a month. So our goal is to get a prop firm of what? $5,000. Let's start from there. All right? As we are learning, my job is to help you post the signals. All right? Normally, these prop firms cost for $5,000 is $48. But there's a current promo price, which is what? $70.5. So you can take advantage of it. All right? If you have $17, you can take advantage of it. But if you don't have it, it is fine as well. All right? You can fold your account until you have that money. But if you don't have $17, why should you be trading? You should focus on having a day job. That's my thinking. You should not be trading if you cannot afford $17. You should have a day job until you get money. Because let me tell you, the problem here is that psychology is going to deal with you. So please pay your bills, pay your rent, take care of your family before you trade. The market is going nowhere. All right? So this is the potential that we have. So my goal for us is to be funded with at least $100,000 before the end of the year. Each and every
Amen.
$100,000. We are not rushing. We are going to be patient. We are only taking 2-3 trades in a month. Okay? We wait for the perfect setups. And and take 3 to 4 trades in a month. And if we do 9%, we are doing well. Look at the potential in rands and in naira. If you are making 687,000 in naira in Nigeria, you're a big boy.
Which account is this? Is this going to be on the Coinbase?
It's a Profem account. Profem. Proprietary firms. Where you pass you pass their challenge and they give you access to these simulated funds. It's simulated. So our goal is to start with $5,000. Once we pass with the one of $5,000, I will make our first withdrawal, which is $450. We buy an account of maybe $20,000, okay, or $50,000, okay. We can buy the account of $50,000. Once we pass $50,000 and we make our first withdrawal, we buy an account of what? $100,000, something like that. So
Okay, so question.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to cut you off. Okay, so just to understand the prop firm, because I know there are different like prop firm websites and so on. So the promo cost is $17.50. So once you pay the $17.50, do we immediately get the $5,000? Would it be reflected in like MT5? How does that work?
Yeah, we have access to the accounts to use MT5 or trade locker. So we have phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 is 10%. You have to pass 10% to show that you know how to trade. So phase 2 is 5%. Once you pass phase 2, you have access to the account. So any other thing you make is your own. Then you take 80%, while the company takes 20%. So at the end of this class, I'm going to drop the link for you to sign up, okay? For those that are willing to sign up. And if you're not willing to sign up, it's fine as well, okay? Because some people might be asking, what is my profit? Actually, nothing is my profit, honestly. Okay, nothing is my profit. I just wanted to give value because it took me time to get here. All right? I've gotten the skill set already. So even if you don't buy, it's fine. Even if you don't pay for mentorship, it's fine. So that's just it. It's up to you. But my goal is to make sure that those that are serious to get funded to be funded. While those that want to learn how to trade by themselves will learn how to trade by themselves. All right?
But sir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Is it possible if we don't have the money handy? Is it possible to be dropping a trade to enable us earn?
Yes, I will be dropping signals consistently.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any other question?
Yeah, so for persons who purchase, once you drop the link, when will we be given access? Because I know that we're still learning, but when will we be given access to these signals, or when will you help us to pass the 2 challenges? I should say.
The signals continue. I'm already dropping free signals already, so we continue with that. Now the problem is there are rules and regulations. Okay, so I think I'm already exhausted. So maybe by tomorrow or Monday, I'm going to drop the rules and regulations inside the group. But I will keep dropping the free signals. And I
think the most important thing is for us to get the essence of this training. I think that plays a very crucial role. We can now proceed. As time goes on, we can now proceed to the profile.
Different people have different aim. Some persons want to learn. Some people want to go for mentorship program. Some people want signal. So it depends.
It's right? Okay.
Yeah. So this is just my opinion. Okay, for people to earn, it's not compulsory. It's not it's compulsory. Yes, it's not compulsory.
The withdrawal we're going to make in the Profem account, is it going to be, are we going to fill the the physical cash?
You are being paid in crypto now.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So that's not the problem. So
Yes,
it's
sir.
up to you. So this night, go and, or tomorrow, go and practice. So maybe we are going to fix another class. Okay?
I really want to thank you and appreciate you for your time, for the clear teaching. And your teaching is explicitly clear. Thank you for that.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir. So we need to find time for the next class. All right.
You fix the time and let us know.
Okay, sir. So for some persons, some persons would want one-on-one mentorship and all of that. So if you need all of that, feel free to reach out to me after now. Like you want a special one. This one we are even rushing. Okay?
Yeah.
So if you need a one-on-one mentorship, you can still reach out. But for now, we'll keep giving out the free trainings, okay? We'll keep giving it as time can lead us to, based on my schedule and other things. So we keep giving the free training. Okay? So that's it. So I will drop the link. I will drop the rules and regulations. And it's not by force, but I will keep dropping free signals. I will keep dropping it. Trust me. So even though you don't have money, you don't have any excuse. For the account with $10, for the account with $15, for the account with $20. I'll be earning something from the signal. All right?
It's okay, sir.
So, any other thing? We'll call it a day. Any other thing?
I don't think. Thank you, sir. It seems that I'm the only one remaining in the distance. Me and you. Nobody is commenting.
Ah, really?
Other people are silent.
Okay.
Okay.
You're present? All right, so someone should give us a closing prayer. Someone should give us a closing prayer, please. Yolanda, are you there? All right, Timothy, give us closing prayer, please. Yes, sir. Amen. All right, good night. We'll schedule for another class. Take care. All right.
Thank you.